Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T here with another video. I know it's been some time. I took a little bit of a break, but on Tuesday, Juvia's Place came out with a new palette. And your girl already picked it up, expedited shipping. And let me tell y'all, if we're going to be talking about a full review, let's jump right into this. Because shipping, I ordered this on Tuesday and they shipped it out on Wednesday and it showed up on Thursday. I'm filming this now on Friday. Like, I cannot, during this pandemic, Juvia's Place has been on top of it. This is not the first time that I've ordered for them and they be right on time. Like, they show up so quick, and if you get expedited shipping, it literally ships out typically like the next morning. So shout out to them for that. Insane. So with this video, I'm only going to be doing the swatches. Now, this entire look is done with this palette, but I'm going to be posting a full transformation video for that later. If you want to see the short IGTV video of that, you can go ahead and follow my Instagram. And if you want to see the in-depth tutorial, make sure you go ahead and put on that bell notification because I will be putting that up on Tuesday. So anyways, this video is going to consist of doing swatches of every single color and doing the details of what they are, just so you can see the textures, my opinions on them. Obviously, I'm wearing this. It's been a few hours now. I had this on and the face is beat. The eye, ooh, the colors just blended so well. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So I don't know why I decided to wear a long sleeve shirt because we're going to be doing swatches. This is the Wahala Palette and the translation of this is drama. And what did I give y'all? Drama. So I was able to achieve this entire look using only this palette. So I'm really excited for that. Let's go ahead and jump right into these swatches. So like I said, I have all of them here. We are going to go into the very first shade, which is BU. And it says that this is a matte dark berry burgundy. The next color is Unafraid. It's a shimmery medium tone purple with a frosty finish. Next color we have here is Envy. I'm literally obsessed with this color. So it's a beautiful shimmer pink violet duochrome with light blue pearls. Next color on that list is whoa, a matte lavender violet. The thing I noticed about this palette is it is grouped by shades. I feel like going vertically because you have this blue. Next color is Stand Up. It's a shimmery champagne. Then we have Pride, a soft muted matte mauve nude. Next on the list is Sis, and this is a personal favorite of mine. It's a matte cool tone dark brown. Underneath there is Unshook, and it's a deep shimmery pewter. Moving into the greens here, we have Fighter, and this is a metallic, vibrant, light medium green. Right underneath there, we have Gossip, and that is an intense, buttery metallic gold with a green undertone. Here we have Oversabi, I don't know, a dark yellow mustard brown. Then underneath here we have Pepper Body, and it's a sparkling champagne gold glitter. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. It's literally so pretty. Next color, we're moving over into these reds here, and this is Fire. It's a fiery matte intense red. Then we have Rumors, a shimmery metallic coppery rose. Unsilenced, a matte coral red. Down below we have Busybody, and this is a playful bright matte magenta pink. Moving on to my favorite row out of this entire palette is the blues. Power is a metallic mermaid blue-green duochrome. Oh my god! Maybe that's why I felt so inspired to be a mermaid. My caption for my IG video was that I turned into a siren, which is a mermaid technically. They just happen to kill men. But yeah, wow. Okay, let's go back to this. Next color that we have here is Anga, a sparkly deep aqua green glitter. Then we have a Love, a matte Crayola blue. Last color on this list is Clout, and this is a sparkly blue glitter. So that is all 20 shades, guys. I think that you are getting a lot of colors. 20 shades for the price point, I feel like is very affordable. I think that Juvia's Place is always extremely affordable. Yeah, wow. I'm gonna put some close-ups of these colors. This is, how many shades did I use for this look? I used Envy, Yanga, Love, Clout, Sis, and Power. I used 6 out of the 20 colors for this look. So this has been on for a few hours. I have no qualms about this palette, guys. I'm very shooketh. I feel like this is going to be something that I'm going to be using, and slowly but surely Juvia's Place is starting to turn into my favorite brand in general. I just feel like they just never disappoint in terms of color, in terms of the pigment is really the biggest thing, because brown girls be getting washed out, okay, and we don't like help your girl out, you know what I mean? When it comes to this palette, I'm telling you, I had no issues blending these. When you see the transformation video that I post on Tuesday, the makeup was literally so quick and so easy for me to do, and I was just able to build and build, and these colors were just showing up. I did not have to do a lot for this, so I feel like this palette is just like so extremely pigmented. Even like, you know, like reds, you know, from certain you know, like certain times reds be looking on brown girls, and this one, I cannot make this up, is so good. I'm so excited to do some more looks for this. Be on the lookout for that, because this is a palette that I know for sure I'm gonna be pulling out often, because yeah, they done did it. Like, honestly, how many other brands can give you this type of beat? Like, the color payoff, I feel like this is a palette that it has a lot going on. There's mattes in here, there is pressed glitters in here, there is shimmers in here, there's duochromes in here. It's like, what? So these colors are really easy to just blend and transition and work together. Like, if you want drama, that's what the girls came here to give you, because period. I'm obsessed with this palette. I love it. I feel like it's something I'm going to use all the time. Not gonna lie, I was definitely not pressed for it. I was like, what am I gonna do with this, because it's colors I typically don't wear, but shorty might have to start wearing these colors, because look. In terms of fallout, I feel like that's the only thing that you need to watch out for, but it is also the glitters. The 3 pressed glitter colors are the ones that I would say that, like, obviously do your eyes first, which I'm always an eye before foundation girl, so that does not bother me at all. I just like to make sure that I can keep my mess as clean as possible. So I hope that this review was helpful for you guys. I wanted to make sure that I swatched all 20 colors on my skin tone and make sure that it's high, in-depth, HD, so you guys can see each color as they go. I think it's very important to be able to see these shades on your skin, because they do just translate differently from tone to tone. I do feel like these obviously emphasize and accentuate darker skin tones, but it's obviously no discrimination. It's just the same as wearing, you know, any other palette, you know. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you made it all the way to the end of this, 1, thank you, and 2, comment, put down the ocean symbol, put down a little wave symbol, because I feel like we swimming out here, you know, little mermaids, whatever. If you guys have any questions, make sure you go ahead and put them down below. I will be responding to everything, so if there are some things that did not cover, I'm here to do it for you, okay? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.